I'm using this ball today to describe how you should really do curl-ups, okay? Whether in Pilates or not, like forever and ever, instead of tugging on the neck, okay? You wanna use your rib cage muscles. So like the muscles in between your rib cage. In Pilates school, we were always taught that they should kind of knit together. So these muscles here are going to engage to lift your head, neck and shoulders and arms. One big piece up, okay? Almost like you're holding like a little tennis ball under the chin, all right, or baseball under the chin. All right, check it out next video. Bye. Hey, okay, so this ball I ended up getting just at the grocery store. You can also order on Amazon Stott Pilates. That's a really nice royal blue ball. But what I do a little series here with clients where I put the ball behind the rib cage, and it feels a little uncomfortable at the beginning, but again, it's supposed to help you emphasize using the rib cage muscles to lift up. All right, so it's hard, but it's really effective. So if you're here and you just raise even one leg to tabletop, you're gonna feel that more deeply, and then of course the other leg to tabletop. So try it here. You always want to support your head and neck, right? And when you do these little lifts, can you see me? I'm going to lift up just a very small amount, and I'm folding over at the ribs like a little burrito. Fold. Nice job. Give it a try. Now next is we're going to put the ball between the knees, okay? So the ball, I often work with the ball between the knees when we do like a lot of leg work on reformer and or mat work. The reason why is because it activates your inner thigh muscles that come right through the pelvic floor into the abdominal wall. So when you do leg work on reformer, it keeps you honest with like not locking that knee back and forth, okay? Because we don't want to hyperextend the knee. It puts a lot of pressure on your joint. This case, all right, we're just going to do a little bit of mat work, and obviously, you know, it's not too difficult, right? You're just going to raise the legs back up to tabletop, squeezing the ball, and not even doing the curl ups. I'm just going to baby pedal out my feet. Oh, feels so good. It's almost like your stomach is in like a washing machine. There's just like a little churn, 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 churn. And then, of course, you could add a little bicycle to it, all right? So you bicycle and you curl up. You're making pretend you're doing. Oh, hello. So this time the ball is underneath my sacrum, and I'm just gonna alternate legs down. Now again, this is how you flatten your abs in terms of extending the muscles. Okay, so flexion is like the curling up. Extension is the lengthening. So now I'm engaging that core, and I'm challenging the strong core by alternating my legs down. So it's always an exhale, down, inhale, up. Now, not to get too picky, but in Pilates, when we lower one leg down, we're trying to keep the other leg absolutely still because that builds core stability. All right, so just a little add on there. And of course, you can do both legs down. Now again, breathing out deeply, inhale, up, up. Namaste. Have a great day.